Guantanamo EASTERN588, Redwood, Texas.
Chinese EASTERN 588 Heavy Kennedy, the wind is 180 at 14, gust 18. Can you accept runway 13 right?
Let me check, stand by.
All right, I can take you to 31 left, whatever you prefer.
Stand by, stand by.
JetBlue 83, the wind's 180 at 14, gust 18. Now that I've taxied you around the airport, can you take 31 left?
Stand by. Guantanamo EASTERN588, your performance, the runway 13 right.
Chinese EASTERN 588 Heavy, runway 13 right for departure. Taxi November and Papa.
Taxi November and Papa, Guantanamo EASTERN588. Thank you.
Route 413, continue to FOXTROT. Listen to tower on 1239. Have a good night.
239, that was short of FOXTROT?
Yeah, it's the FOXTROT intersection departure. Sequence is Air France. You'll see them ahead of you. The tower's 239.
Redwood, 413. We see Air France and over 239. You have a good day.
9397.
97.
I need 13 right swept also.
Roger. Kennedy ground, IBERIA6250 ready to taxi.
IBERIA6250 Heavy, Kennedy ground, runway teacher right short and taxi right Bravo.
Good afternoon, Turkish 1 Heavy on Juliet. Bravo, short, runway 22 right, IBERIA6250.
Turkish 1, taxi to the ramp.
Taxi ramp, gate 3.
Flagship 4008, continue on Kilo, give way to the guy under tow, cross 31 left, and then go right on Kilo Charlie.
Okay, Kilo crossing 31 left, then Kilo Charlie after the tow, flagship 4008.
Yeah, Flagship 4008, the wind's 180 at 13, can you accept 31 left?
Stand by.
Alright, Flagship 4008, I'll stand by, then you don't move, you let me know if you can take it.
Guantanamo EASTERN588, hold short runway 13 right.
Chinese EASTERN 588, roger, hold short of 13 right, it's going to be a few minutes because you're a non-conforming departure.
Okay, 2 minutes late, Chinese EASTERN588.
I never said anything about two, I said a few.
No, ground Delta 462 at Hotel Bravo with Foxtrot, still awaiting numbers.
On the 462, alright, the wind's 170 at 13, can you accept 31 left?
Yes, sir, we should be able to, 31 left.
Alright, now the 462, right Alpha short of Juliet for 31 left, intersection Kilo Echo.
Right Alpha, short of Juliet, intersection Kilo Alpha, 31 left off 462.
Yeah, it's intersection Kilo Echo, and the company's got 40 minutes to give you numbers, because I guess everybody wants to go to Atlanta at this hour of the day.
Okay, thanks. Kilo Echo for 31 left off 462.
Chinese EASTERN 588 on departure, fly runway heading, monitor tower 1239. Don't call him, he'll call you.
123.9, Horizon 588. Ground Delta 462.
Yes, sir.
That's 40 minutes to Atlanta firm, because we're thinking about shutting an engine now.
Oh, I would, yeah, 49. It ain't going to get any better unless they build a runway in Atlanta in the next 30 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
JetBlue 1601, New York departure, good day. Correction, JetBlue 1601 tower 1239.
2392.
And JetBlue 1094 at Gulf, when you join Alpha, let the company Embrear come out of the ramp. Don't hit them.
We'll give away the Embrear JetBlue 10.
Market 793, ground, you're in the US paint job? You guys gotta, you actually gotta have to tell me that. 31 left, Kilo Echo, left turn on Bravo.
Ground Delta 462.
Yes.
Yes, sir, one of heads up on the engine start.
You can just plan to go, literally, 49 minutes after the hour, sir. That's when the guy at 239 is going to get you winging on your merry way.
Perfect, thanks. We'll stand by with you in a minute.
You can actually monitor him on 239. He's much more entertaining than I am.
Okay. All right, good day.
See ya.
Can you go on Delta Tug 2?
Oh, my favorite Delta Tug, number 2. What can I do for you?
Delta Tug 2, Kilo Golf Short Alpha, requesting permission to reposition the Hotel Bravo.
Oh, Delta Tug 2, hold short of Alpha.
Hold on short.
Here we come.
Delta 455, when you get to FOXTROT, your sequence is going to be united opposite direction. We'll actually be there in about 3 or 4 minutes. Wait for him, monitor 1239.
Queue up behind the United at Fox 219 Delta 455. Thanks for your help, sir.
1239.
1239, good day.